Hello friends, good morning. It is Thursday today. Let's do our number corner for today. All right. So today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020. It is the last day in April. How crazy is that? So before I click on this, if you want to cut out your shape, feel free to cut that out and follow along. You're going to need number 30. Pause the video if you'd like to do that. If not, we are going to get started. All right, here's 30. We have a letter L. And I just so conveniently have my letter L right here. And we are going to see if this letter L is symmetrical. So let's check it out. Well, I can't really fold it that way. And well, I can't really fold it that way either. So do you think it's symmetrical? It's not. Well, what if I do this? Nope, it's not symmetrical. Our last day, we have a letter. It is not symmetrical, so nope. And look at that, we filled out our entire April number corner grid. How fantastic is that? Great job, guys. Now we have a few different letters here. We have the letter E, the letter H, the letter S, W, O, and L. Do you remember that secret puzzle that we had? Let me show you. It looked like this. It says, use the letters from this month's calendar marker to make a word that answers this clue. 4 halves equal 2. We had all of our letters. But I made this into an activity for you. So the activity looks like this. It says the same thing, 4 halves equal 2, and you see all these letters down here. You just click on it and you can drag it where you think it goes. If you think the H goes there, if you think it goes here, if you think it goes here, you're just going to move it to where you think. If you lose it, I've heard that some friends have been doing this and they accidentally lose it. Oops, it's gone. There is a button right up here. This means back. And undo, and look, it's back. Perfect. And if you lose it, that's not a big deal. I will just know that you lost that one, and that's okay. So I'm excited to see if you know what the secret word clue is. Yesterday we had 151 days in school. Let's see what today is if we have one more day in school. So before we do that, I just wanted to share some of our equations. Here is one of our equations from yesterday. 100 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 1 equals 151. Awesome job, Miss Cece. And let's take a look at one more. And another one, 100 plus 51 equals 151. Great job, Yokobe. So let's take a look at today's. So just like we said yesterday, we had 151 days in school. Today we have 152 days in school. You guys are awesome. Oh, we're just going to put days. Perfect. Written form, 152. Hundreds, tens, and ones. There's 100 plus how many tens? 5 tens plus how many ones? 2 ones. And expanded form. Remember, for expanded form, we can use our hundreds, tens, and ones and our days in school to help us figure it out. So how many hundreds are there? There's 100 plus how many tens? 5. Is that right? No. What does 5 tens equal? Let's check. 5, 10, oh, I'm sorry, count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Plus how many ones? There's 2, 152. Fantastic. It's our last day spinning. Let's see what we get today. A line. Let's spin again. 5. Ooh, exciting. There's my 5. 1. I'm actually going to move all these over. 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. All right, let's add 5 tallies as well. We'll use red today because it's our last day. 1, 2, remember to cross. 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Let's count up how many we have. 5, 10, 15, stop. 16, 17. We have 17 today. So here's our 5. And now we need to add our 17. And we will make it, I don't know those colors. We'll do yellow today. Even though it's a little hard to see, but it's our last week, so it'll be good. 17. Perfect. So we still have some that have more. Week 4 and week 3 have the most, but we almost caught up to that. So great job, friends. Now, friends, we're going to be moving into the month of May starting tomorrow. And with that being said, this is something that's really important that's going to help us make a little bit more sense of our calendar grid. If you have the ability to print, please print this out. It'll be extremely helpful. If you do not, that is fine. You can just follow along with mine that I do on the screen. That's fine. But this is a hidden picture. We don't know what that picture is going to be, so it's going to be really exciting when we find out what it is. Here is our homework for today. Today is Thursday, April 30th. Scholastic Learn at Home activity. Watch Writing, Lesson 4. Complete page 7 and 8 of your math packet. An update on those who did not receive their packet. Those are getting shipped in the mail on Tuesday. So not 2 days ago, but this coming up Tuesday, so very exciting. So you should be getting them soon. Watch Number Corner like you are doing right now. And optional activity for art, music, and PE from Miss Mortimer, Mr. Tolksdorf, and Mr. King. And then just a reminder that I will attach the May Number Corner hidden picture sheet, that's a mouthful, to the Google Classroom for today. And I'll just put, please print that if possible. It's going to be very helpful for you to have that. I am going to have one with me too that I will be coloring on every day, but sometimes it's fun for you to follow along too. And if you were in school, you'd follow along also. So boys and girls, have a beautiful Thursday. The weather seems to be getting nicer, so that's exciting. Hope you guys are doing well, and take care. Bye, guys.